Bitcoin video. Those of you that know me and have watched my other Bitcoin videos know that I've been looking for the 90k level for a little while now, probably around 2 months. Finally, we're starting to see some kind of weakness in the price, which is great. We've broken down below this key level that I indicated here, which was the range high, and then acted as support as we broke above. Now, we are getting some very choppy PA here, but ultimately we are below this level. Now, it doesn't look great. I have to be honest with you, it doesn't look great. We have this huge fair value gap here, which is my target, which is around 90k. Pairing that with what USDT looks like and what total looks like, it looks like the right target to have in mind before thinking about going risk on with the market. What it does to alts, I have no idea. Not necessarily, it's not going to be great, I'll be honest with you. So yeah, my thesis is we kind of just into November, we kind of get this chop down here. We sweep this 90k by December, and then we can start to kind of build some longs up. Now, what that looks like in terms of, confluence. Now, if we look at total market cap here, I marked out this kind of large range. It looks slightly better on the weekly, but we've broken down below this range high, which is support. We've had a bit of a accumulation or distribution at these highs here. So my main target for these type of breakdowns is mid-range, sweep mid-range, and then come back up into the range highs, fill the fair value gap, and then it's the end of the run. So that's kind of the confluence with total. Now this, from a percentage drawdown basis, works out to be similar to the 90k target on BTC. It's around kind of 20%, give or take. So there's that, there's total, there's BTC, and then also with USDT, if we go on the weekly here, it's painting a kind of big accumulation picture. Now ultimately 90k is probably going to take us around here, maybe sweep that high, and then we come down, rest this support again, which would be the 118k reset or the range highs for total, and then we possibly get 50k. So for me, I'm still very worried about BTC, in all honesty. So yeah, just here. So that bounce that I'm looking at is likely going to come and fill this fair value gap up here. So after we tap 90k, I'm looking for a move back to 118 before things are over. So that's similar to what we see on total here. This is a 3-tap of supply, which is a distributive pattern. So if this plays out and we get mid-range here, I'll be fairly confident in one more bounce. But then honestly, it's looking like the end after that. So hopefully alts can get some serious movement on this last kind of leg up. But right now, I don't like it at all. Unless we see some serious strength and we come back up here, that's when I'd get more bullish. But right now, it's really not the time to be bullish, in my opinion. I think 90k is extremely likely, given where we are in kind of seasonality as well. But, you know, let's hope for the best. 90k will give a very, very good buy zone if we get it. But then I'll be getting out around 118 in this fair value gap here. So best of luck to everyone. Hope that helped. Take care.